Asuntoskeittiö Kaaren Susi.
Today it's the 30th of October 2021. We have Jönsaksenkuja, Jönsakstigen, 4 sticks B. We've been to the sticks A here before. And we are here in Myyrmäki, Myyrmäki, Länsi-Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, Västra Vantaa. In the Jönsaksenkuja Uusimaa, Finland, Finland. The capacity is 4 persons of 325 grams. It's got MP8 fixtures by Kone. And it was built in late 1982, finished in 1983, because we checked it out. It's finished 1983. It's turning 40 years old in the next year, 2022. It's number is H62414, and it's going to be inspected in 2023. I like the smell in here.
Same.
I think this smell is even better than is the case A, maybe.
Yeah.
But I can't remember, but maybe.
Yeah.
And it also sounds, of course, much like late 1982.
Yeah.
Six floors and a silent ride.
This by it's sapient maintained by Schindler.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the stick set, huh?
That's